Take a ride in 2012 Legacy. The Subaru Legacy offers a roomy interior and a dynamic drive you feel every second you're in the driver's seat. It's a refreshing alternative to the alternatives. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, electronic parking brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, braking assist, front stabilizer bar, four-wheel disc brakes, ambient lighting. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.